The little white clouds are racing over the sky, and the fields are strewn with the gold of the flower of March. The daffodil breaks underfoot, and the tasseled larch sways and swings as the thrush goes hurrying by. A delicate odor is born on the wings of the morning breeze, the odor of leaves and of grass and of newly upturned earth. The birds are singing for joy of the spring's glad birth, hopping from branch to branch on the rocking trees. And all the woods are alive with the murmur and sound of spring, and the rosebud breaks into pink on the climbing briar, and the crocus bed is a quivering moon of fire, girdled round with the belt of an amethyst ring. And the plain to the pine tree is whispering some tale of love, till it rustles with laughter and tosses its mantle of green. And the gloom of the witch elm's hollow is lit with the iris sheen of the burnished rainbow throat and the silver breast of the dove. See, the lark starts up from his bed in the meadow there, breaking the gossamer threads and the nets of dew, and flashing it down the river, a flame of blue. The kingfisher flies like an arrow and